Hiccups are caused by involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle that aids in breathing. These spasms cause a sudden intake of air, which is abruptly stopped by the closing of the vocal cords, producing the hic sound. Triggers can include eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or sudden excitement. While remedies range from holding your breath to sipping water upside down, most hiccups resolve on their own. Sneezing is our body's way of expelling irritants from the nasal cavity. When something like dust or pollen irritates the mucous membranes, a signal is sent to the brain, which then triggers a forceful expulsion of air to clear the irritant. While sneezing can sometimes catch us off guard, it's a crucial defense mechanism. Ever wondered why the sky is blue? It's all about light. Sunlight looks white, but it's actually made of all the colors of the rainbow. When light reaches Earth's atmosphere, tiny molecules scatter the blue light more than the other colors because it travels in shorter waves. So, voila, blue sky. Ever wondered why bananas are curved? It's because they grow toward the sun. Bananas start out straight, but as they grow, they reach for sunlight in a process called negative geotropism. So, bananas are basically phototropism, so they tend to bend towards sunlight. Ever sliced into an onion and suddenly found yourself in tears? It's not because the onion is upset. When you cut an onion, you break its cells, releasing enzymes called alanases. These enzymes react with amino acids to produce sulfenic acids, which quickly rearrange into a volatile gas called syn-propanediol S-oxide. This gas wafts up to your eyes and reacts with the water in your tears to form mild sulfuric acid, causing irritation. Your eyes flood with tears to wash away the irritant. So next time you're blubbering over dinner prep, blame the onion's chemical warfare. Why do we dream? Scientists say it's our brain's way of processing emotions and memories. Dreaming is a complex process tied to our brain's memory consolidation and emotional processing. During the REM, rapid eye movement, stage of sleep, the brain becomes highly active, sorting through the day's experiences and storing important information. Some believe it's a rehearsal for real-life challenges, while others think it's just random brain activity. Either way, dreams are like your brain's late-night movie marathon. Popcorn kernels have a tiny bit of water inside. When heated, the water turns to steam, building pressure until pop. The kernel explodes into fluffy, delicious popcorn. Science never tasted so good. Why are some people left-handed? It's a mix of genetics and brain wiring. The LRRTM1 gene is linked to left-handedness, and left-handed people often have a more symmetrical brain structure, with language centers in both hemispheres. Fun fact: left-handedness is more common in twins and is associated with creativity. Slice into an apple, and the clock starts ticking on a fascinating chemical reaction. When the fruit cells are damaged, enzymes called polyphenol oxidases interact with oxygen in the air. This process, known as enzymatic browning, leads to the production of melanin, the same pigment that colors our skin. While it doesn't affect the taste right away, it can make the apple less appealing. To slow down the browning, a splash of lemon juice works wonders. The vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, keeping your apple slices fresh and party-ready. Chameleons are nature's mood rings, but their color changes aren't just for blending in. They primarily change color to communicate with other chameleons. Darker colors can signal aggression, while brighter colors might attract a mate. They change color by adjusting special cells called chromatophores that contain different pigments. Temperature, light, and mood all play a role in their technicolor transformations. Fireflies light up the night through a cool chemical process called bioluminescence. Inside their lantern-like abdomens, a substance called luciferin reacts with oxygen, ATP, the cell's energy currency, and the enzyme luciferase. This reaction emits light with nearly 100% efficiency, meaning almost no heat is produced. Fireflies use their glow to attract mates, with each species having its own unique flashing pattern. Some even use it as a sneaky way to lure in prey. So, those twinkling lights are part love signal, part espionage. Mosquitoes are attracted to carbon dioxide, body heat, and certain odors. People who exhale more CO, such as larger individuals or those exercising, become prime targets. Lactic acid, uric acid, and ammonia excreted through sweat also lure mosquitoes. Your skin microbiota plays a role too. The unique combination of bacteria on your skin emits distinct odors. Even blood type matters. Studies suggest mosquitoes have a preference for type O blood. Fingerprints, or friction ridges, are formed in the womb and provide crucial grip by increasing friction between our skin and surfaces. Each person's fingerprints are unique due to genetic and environmental factors during fetal development. They assist in tasks requiring fine motor skills and enhance our ability to sense textures through mechanoreceptors in the skin. Fun fact: some primates, like gorillas and chimpanzees, also have fingerprints. Even koalas have remarkably similar fingerprint patterns to humans. Rainbows are all about light and water playing together. When sunlight passes through raindrops, it's refracted, bent, reflected off the inside surface of the droplet, and refracted again as it exits. This process splits the light into its component colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet, creating a circular spectrum. The angle between the incoming light and the reflected light is about 42 degrees, which is why we see rainbows when the sun is low in the sky. It's like nature's prism showing off during a brief intermission between weather acts.